Okay, so in this video we are going to make the delete button work. So if you click on this trash icon, our board should get deleted. Let's see how we can do that. So first, here is our trash icon. So here we are going to add a click event. So we're going to say add click, and let's say we want to run a function called handle board delete. So handle board delete. Now let's create this function. So Control C. In our export default object, we are going to have a methods property or methods objects. Let's say methods. Here we are going to have a function called handle delete board, and this will simply emit a event. It will be a global event. So for that we are going to use the event bus. So let's import our event bus here. So we are going to say import event bus from, and our event bus is in utils folder. So as you can see in the utils we have this event bus.js. So we are going to say add/utils /event bus.js, like so. Save. Okay, now here we are going to say event bus.emit. So we are going to say event bus.emit. We are going to emit the delete board event, and we also need to pass the ID of the board. So we were receiving the ID as a prop, and now we are also sending the ID in our event. Let's listen to this event in our home page. So Control C, Control S, save. In our home page we are also going to say event bus.on. So we're going to say event bus.on delete board. We are going to get the data. So for now let's just console log the data. So console.log data, save, click on inspect, and now if I click on delete, as you can see it says 0. If we had another board, for example, let's say test board 2, and let's use a different color. So let's try this color, click on submit, and now if I click on this trash icon, it says 1. So the ID of this board is 1 and the ID of this board is 0. So if you click on this, it says 0. If I click on this, it says 1. So now we simply have to delete the board from our boards array that has the ID of the ID that we receive in our event. So we can simply say this.boards.splice. So this.boards.splice, and we're going to say data/1. Data is our board ID. So let's rename it to board ID. That would be a better name. So let's say board ID, like so. Save, and now if I click on delete, as you can see our board gets deleted. Let's add some more boards. So if I click on the blue one's delete button, the blue one gets deleted. If I click on the green one's delete button, the green one gets deleted. And if I click on the red ones, the red one gets deleted. So in the next video what we are going to do is make the delete button of our items work. So I click on this button, this item should be deleted from our board. So I'll see you in the next video.